So Vinod, you wanted to understand the new term plus Gyan Kosh combo tool, right? Okay. Now this solution has both Raksha as well as Maharaksha. Okay. So how does it select? If the sum assured is more than 50 lakhs, it selects Maharaksha.
Okay.
If the sum assured is less than 50 lakhs, it selects Raksha. Okay.
Protection is shown.
Absolutely. So there are two aspects of this tool. I'll explain each aspect. Okay. This tool covers two important needs of a client. You said child is the most important need for any parent in India. So it covers child's education and marriage need through Gyan Kosh. And it covers the need for protection of family standard of living, which we have seen, right? Term plan.
Yeah.
Pre as well as post retirement.
But Vijay, why pre and post for standard of living?
Okay, very good question. If someone dies, the family, the complete unit needs protection
Right.
till the children are settled.
Sure.
So normally children settle by the time you retire.
Absolutely.
But post retirement, if someone dies, the spouse is still alive, right?
You take care of himself.
She will still live maybe 25-30 years,
Yes.
or he will still live 25-30 years.
Yes.
Don't you require protection for that also?
Absolutely.
That's why this calculator takes the pre as well as post requirement need for standard of living protection and calculates a single sum assured.
Oh, very good. Very good.
Okay? So I'll take you through the data collection sheet, which is the first sheet, and then I will show you the result sheet. Okay? In the data collection sheet, the tool has three parts. The first part, as you can see, is client's personal details. The second part is information for child's dream protection, right? Because child's dream protection.
That is the one part of it.
And the third part is the information for protection of family standard of living, pre and post retirement. Okay? The best way to understand this tool is, I will do this tool assuming you are my client.
Oh, good. Very
Okay?
good.
So we will run this tool assuming your children's need requirement as well as your protection need requirement. So you'll also get an idea in the process how to use this tool. Okay, the first question which I will ask is absolutely your name. So I know your name, so I'll feed in Vinod Khemani. Okay? So Vinod, what's your age in completed years?
44.
44. Now you see there are two kinds of cells.
Yeah.
One is green and the other is grey.
Yeah.
In the green cells, you can type.
Oh, okay.
In the grey cells, there is a selection drop-down menu. Can you see this?
Oh, so it can give
So you should not type in.
okay.
So your age is?
44.
So you can straight away go and select 44 here.
All right.
Okay? So you don't need to type it. Green cells you need to type. What's the normal expected retirement age, Vinod?
I think 58 would be
58, right? So this is a green cell, so you have to key it in.
okay.
Okay? Okay? So your retirement age is 58, okay?
Okay.
The next question I have is, number of years post-retirement for which protection of standard of living of dependent needs to be planned for. That means your wife Vaishali,
Right.
how long post your retirement and post her achieving say 60 years, you want to make sure that money is available to her to maintain her standard of living come what may.
Okay, 60 plus 30. At least we should plan till age 90.
Till age 90?
Yes.
So yours is 58.
Yes.
So I am taking as 30 more years.
Yes.
Is that fine?
That'll be good.
Okay. So gender male.
Yes.
Now, you're a smoker or non-smoker?
Why is this question? Smoker, non-smoker? How would, yeah, because of the benefits in the product.
Maharaksha?
Yes.
You remember your
Yes.
smoker and non-smoker rates?
So it will calculate and
As per that
correct.
rate. So
Okay.
you're a smoker?
Non-smoker.
Okay, so I've taken non-smoker rate. So these are your personal information. That's the first part. Now let's go to the second part. Information for child's dream protection.
Okay.
So you have a son, I understand,
Yes.
right? What's his name?
Viraj.
Viraj. How old is he?
He's completed 8 years.
8 years.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you want Viraj to be?
Viraj's dreams is to become an actor.
Really?
Yeah. So as a family, we have a joint dream.
Okay. So for acting also, you would need to send him some acting school.
Absolutely, that's in mind, and we wanted to send him to London for 3 years.
London?
Yes.
For the acting school?
Yes.
Okay, so that must be very costly.
In the present, yeah, it's around 5 to 6 lakhs in a year.
5 to 6 lakhs in a year.
Yes.
And how long is the course?
It's a 3-year course.
So if you send him today, the cost would be what, 15 to 18 lakhs?
Yeah, 18 lakhs at least.
So that's the next question. Money needed for child's education and or marriage in today's term. Because you can't know what will be the value of that education when Viraj is 20 or 22, right?
So we have to look at the value of the cost of as of today's.
As of today, always,
Alright.
okay, in financial planning. So you said 6 lakhs per year,
Yes.
3 years course,
18 lakhs.
so 18 lakhs. So should I take 18 lakhs?
Yes.
Okay, in any planning, we always want to know if you have already saved some amount for this goal.
I think we have managed to save 5 lakhs for him.
5 lakhs?
Now, yes.
So should I say 5 lakhs here?
Yes.
Okay. You will require this money when he is 18.
20.
20.
20, yes.
So 8, 20 means you need the money after 12 years.
Absolutely.
So here you have to go and select the number of years after which you need.
Oh, so there are a number
12
of
years.
years also. Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
So now I will help you plan for Gyan Kosh plan, which will give you the desired amount after 12 years.
For the education.
Of,
protection.
yeah, 12 years.
Yeah.
Okay. The next question is, naturally, in any financial planning, you have to plan as per the inflation.
Sure.
So what is the long-term inflation rate you expect?
I think, Vijay, it will be around 6 to 7%, 6%,
So should I take 6 or 7?
6%.
Okay. So I'll take 6%. Now you know the second question which I asked you since morning we have been repeating
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
What is the long-term fixed deposit rate you expect?
I think for that also 6%, Vijay.
6%. Okay. The inflation rate and fixed deposit rate or long-term interest rate cannot be the same.
Why is that?
Simple first reason. In any economy you will find that the interest rate is always higher than the inflation.
Alright.
Okay? Otherwise the economy just won't grow, right?
Okay.
In India, we generally see that the interest rates are around 2% higher than the inflation rate. Okay? If you have these two as same, the value won't come
Okay.
because the money just won't grow, right? Both
Yeah,
are
we
same.
are at the same level.
So, if you are assuming the long-term inflation rate to be 6%, what should I take as the long-term fixed deposit rate?
Take at least 8%.
8%? Okay, I'll take 8%. So here we go and select 8%. So we have covered two parts of the data collection sheet.
Personal details
Personal details
and child
and
protection.
child student protection. Now the third part, which is the standard of living pre and post retirement. Okay. So for this, you know, since morning we have been asking this question. What is your current monthly household expense?
I think it's 50,000.
50,000. The green field, so you have to key
You
in.
have to key in. Alright.
The next question is, what percentage of this monthly household expense you would like to secure to maintain the standard of living of your family pre-retirement?
At least 75%.
75%? Do you think that would be enough?
If if the loan.
Are you
come
saying that
down-
25% of your expense is yours?
Okay, so we need to plan a little more higher.
Because why are you planning? God
so that-
forbid
so that
something
other-
happens to
other
us,
things also can happen.
happens to us.
Yeah.
What is the expense of the family is available. I generally recommend to clients for pre-retirement 100%.
Oh, okay.
The reason is very simple. Our personal expenses are not major.
Right.
Plus there would be inflation.
Right.
Huh? Should I take 100%
Yeah,
or
100% is
80%?
okay, yes. to plan.
Post-retirement, what percentage of this 50,000 you need to protect for your family standard of living?
I think that 75 to 80% is fine.
75 to 80? Should I take 75 or 80?
75 is good.
Okay. Do you have any outstanding loans?
Yes,
So give me the total value of all your outstanding loans today.
I think 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs, okay. So I'll key in 10 lakhs here. Life insurance cover taken exclusively to cover the loans. This question is basically when you take a housing loan, people don't give you a housing loan till you have a life
Yeah, yeah,
insurance
right,
cover, right? So, but you have not got a housing loan.
It's a personal loan.
Do you have taken exclusive
No, I
life
don't-
insurance
no,
cover
this
for
is
this?
not, nothing is, I don't think it's secure.
So no loan cover,
I have got a cover otherwise, but not specifically
not for
to
loan.
protect.
That I'll ask the next question.
Sure.
The next question is, existing life insurance plan sum assured other than cover for loans mentioned above. What is the total sum assured under all the life insurance policies you have put together?
I think around 20 lakhs.
20 lakhs you have?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
So here we'll go and type 20 lakhs. So now we have taken all the information. So let me review the information. Now in the calculator, you'll see a button called Run Macros. Okay. Before you start using this calculator, you have to ensure that you have enabled macros on your Excel.
Oh. We have to educate our people. To
Yes.
do that.
If the macros are not enabled, this sheet won't run, because when you press Run Macro, the entire calculation happens. What is the first thing it does? It selects whether you are eligible for Raksha or Maharaksha,
Yeah, you had
depending
said
on the
that.
sum
You
assured
said that,
retirement.
yeah.
Then in the background, it calculates the premium of the term plan and the Gyan Kosh plan for your children's name. Okay. So now I'll press this macro, Run Macro. You saw there was a calculation going on in the background.
Yes.
Now the plan which it has selected for you is Maharaksha.
Oh, so
What does this mean?
that means it's the new product and think longer term. Could be.
No. It means that the sum assured requirement is above 50 lakhs.
Oh, it's higher. So it's already I'm in a requirement.
Yes. Now, you said that your number of years left for retirement is 14 years.
Right.
Okay. You said that Viraj has to go for education after 12 years.
Yes.
After he comes back from London, he will be a new actor.
Yes.
You will still need to support him.
Sure.
How many years do you think you'll have to support him?
So it's 44 plus 25, at least till age 70.
At least till
Age 70.
age 70, which means 14 plus 10.
10, 24 years more.
Huh?
Yes.
So you need a plan for a term of at least 25
24,
years.
25 years, yes.
So I'll select 25 years as your Maharaksha term plan.
Right.
Many people say, no, I want only till retirement.
But there are
But your responsibilities are not ending at retirement.
Yes.
Your responsibilities are ending with Viraj settling down in life.
Yes.
So you have selected a safe term. Before 25 years, if Viraj settles down and there is no other fear, it's a different question.
Safeguard, yeah.
But it's better to take protection.
Safeguard, right.
And you're already in your 44.
Yes.
Cost will only increase.
Sure.
Okay. So now we have run the macros. Okay. Now let's go to the result sheet and see what this calculator is showing. Part 1 of this result sheet shows you the results of your child's goal and what amount of Gyan Kosh you need.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing it says is corpus required for your child's goal after 12 years. See, you said 12, na?
Yeah, absolutely.
It says that you will require 26,15,855 rupees for your child's goal when he goes to the London School of Acting when he is 20 years of
This
age.
is factoring inflation and
It is factoring inflation and it is reducing your existing savings.
yeah.
So it is inflating your savings also
Yeah.
and it is inflating your requirement also. And the difference between the two, you still need 26,15,000 to plan for Viraj's education in London School of Acting.
Because it's saying the net of existing.
Yes.
savings. Okay.
The annual premium of a Tata AIA Life Gyan Kosh policy for term of 15 years to generate the balance corpus of 26 lakh after 12 years is 1,67,636.
I have a
You're not
question.
asking me a question.
Yeah, I just had something in mind.
This is 12.
Right.
Gyan Kosh is 15.
Yeah, so how will this amount, target amount be built?
So this calculator has this benefit. If you do a sales illustration of Gyan Kosh, will you get a result for 12 years?
No, it will be a 15-year plan.
Minimum
This is your
15-year
maturity
plan.
and-
This calculator is calculating what will be the corpus of Gyan Kosh at 10%, assuming 10% SIA, at the end of 12 years.
So I know my amount, whatever balance is left, I get it.
You can withdraw after 5 years,
years,
no?
yeah, okay.
Partial withdrawal is allowed.
Absolutely.
So if your son has to go to London, after 12 years, Gyan Kosh will generate 26,15,000 if you pay a premium of 1,67,636 every annum.
Right.
That means every year. Okay? Death benefit, that is sum assured available on death during the term of the Gyan Kosh. Gyan Kosh will also have a death benefit.
Yes.
The death benefit available in this plan, it has calculated, is 25,14,000.
So that means I think the education is protected from
Almost
day one.
protected, no?
Okay.
There is still a small difference. I'll cover that later.
Okay.
This is 25 lakhs. This is around 26
a very-
lakhs. There is a difference of 1 lakh.
Yeah.
But we will cover that also
Okay. All right.
when we come to the term
Okay.
solution.
All right.
If this policy continues for 15 years. If you do not withdraw the money, it will be 40 lakhs, 57,000.
Maybe if there is any change of plan also, I'm getting 40 lakhs after 15 years of Viraj's completion. Even if there is a change.
Even if there is a change in plan.
Alright, good, very
Okay.
good.
And let's not forget family income benefit.
Okay. That's
You know Gyan Kosh?
yes.
It has two types of options. This combo calculator only calculates benefit assuming that you have opted for security net benefit. Waiver of premium ensures that God forbid something happens to you, the premiums are waived.
You only get the amount at the maturity.
But you will get the amount at the maturity. You have got a sum assured which may get used for other reasons. Here is an additional monthly income equivalent to 1% of the sum assured,
Very good.
so that your child's education on a regular basis also does not suffer.
Okay.
Therefore, I do not recommend anything but a combination of these two.
There's an above and over benefit for 8 years.
So you have understood the solution? So
very
you like the solution?
Very well.
Now let's look at part 2, which is protecting standard of living
Yeah.
pre and post retirement. So what is the first thing? You have said your annual family expense.
50,000.
You said it's 50,000, so it's 6 lakhs. Okay. Second thing you said was you required to protect 75% of 50,000 for post retirement standard of living of your dependents,
Correct.
right? Which
Correct.
comes to 37,500.
Right.
While 37,500 is required in today's term, your retirement is 14 years away.
Yes.
Will it be same 37,500?
No, it will be more as how you
So,
explained.
we have to inflate it, right?
Yes.
So 37,500 is inflated,
Yes.
and based on that, the inflated value that requires protection is 10,17,408 per annum. This is the amount required for child's gold less sum assured of Tata AI Life Gyan Kosh. You know there was a difference?
Absolutely. That 1 lakh.
25 lakh,
And one. Yeah.
14,538
So that is also
is the sum assured.
pulled in and
So that also difference is accounted for here. So what is that difference?
1 lakh.
1,01,370. Now you can say, why this is such a small amount, why are you accounting for it? The reason is, if there is a death and Gyan Kosh sum assured is paid, we want to protect the full goal from day one. Why? Because you require the money after how many years?
After 12 years.
And the policy will give you money only after 15 years after death. You know, na, in
Yes,
Gyan Kosh?
yes.
So if you need the money at 12 years, you need it fully protected.
Yes.
You don't know when death will happen.
Sure.
Therefore, the full value is to be protected, and therefore
The
that
1 lakh is
balance
accounted. Yes.
also we want to account. So all these requirements, now the calculator will calculate how much of term insurance you require. So the first value, which is at D, you read the column D.
Yes.
Additional life cover required, including 1,01,317. It is saying C. C is 1,01,000.
Yes.
Required as on date, today, if
Yes.
something happens, to maintain standard of living till retirement, should then generate desired monthly income at FD rate of 8%. You have selected that?
Yes.
The corpus is calculated using capital depletion method. That is, the corpus will be sufficient to provide the regular monthly income at the rate of 50,000 till retirement age to protect family standard of living. The sum assured for that is 52,59,689.
But what is this capital depletion method, Vijay?
There are two ways we can calculate the capital requirement. One is capital depletion method. So here, whatever is the capital, it assumes you require 50,000 till age 58, right?
Right.
Pre-retirement.
Right.
This capital will generate that at 50,000 rupees every month till 58. After that, the corpus will become zero.
Yes.
Therefore, it's called depletion method.
Depletion method. Okay.
In the other method is capital conservation method.
Okay.
That is the simple rule which we taught during find the gap.
Yes.
Remember find the gap tool?
Absolutely.
That was capital conservation method. There, whatever money you put in the FD is protected.
You get interest.
You are only
That's-
getting interest.
interest,
So
right.
that corpus is intact.
Yes.
So that sum assured requirement will be higher.
Yes.
Okay. The second is life insurance cover required as on date again to maintain standard of living post retirement to generate monthly income. What was the monthly income? 37,500, right?
Right.
At the rate of 6%, which is inflated, this monthly income, when you are 58,
from 37,500 becomes 84,784. Is that clear?
Yes, clear.
This is the impact of inflation.
All
Please
right.
understand it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
The sum assured required to generate this amount every month is 40,66,553.
Okay.
This amount, it is assumed upon death, will not be spent. It will be invested so that it grows till retirement.
Right.
And from retirement, you will start withdrawing from this fund
Right.
to generate 84,784 per month.
Correct.
Is
Got
that
it.
clear now?
Correct.
So the total is and a combination of these two.
Yes.
So the total life insurance cover required so that your family standard of living
Pre and post.
is maintained pre 100%, post 75%, plus the shortfall of your child's good 1 lakh.
Correct.
So the total amount comes to 83,26,242.
This is taking into account your existing life insurance cover of
20 lakhs.
that has been reduced.
Now we come to the real thing. What's the premium? So you must be wondering, 83 lakhs premium must be a bomb, right?
Yes.
That's the beauty. The premium comes to 30,966 only per annum.
All right.
Isn't that very
Fantastic. Fantastic.
30,966 ensures that 83 lakhs 26,242 rupees is available to your family the day you are insured.
Okay.
Okay. So let's look at the final values. The premium which you required for Gyan Kosh was 1,67,636.
Correct.
The premium you require for Maharaksha Supreme is 30,966. The total is 1,98,602 is the annual commitment required
Right.
for a complete package
Yeah.
that will ensure Viraj is fully protected in terms of his education needs.
Correct.
Your family is fully protected in terms of standard of living both pre and post.
Right.
And the monthly commitment works out to only around 16,698 rupees.
Correct.
With this powerful tool, don't you think our agency force can convince anyone to buy this combo?
Sure, because that was my question at the beginning and it's I think answered.
So now, do you feel confident that you can in turn make all your agency managers, all your agency trainers, and everyone in agency understand this tool by taking them through it?
Absolutely, and I think we'll do a service to ourselves as well as a more important service to the customers, where education and standard of living both is protected in one go.
So Vinod, while you have understood this tool, I ask my friends all sitting and watching this presentation right now to please take this tool and practice.
Sure.
Because if you don't practice this tool, Vinod has also not practiced, I have done it, but I am sure he will
And
practice.
I'll pick it up.
You also need to take this tool. Your trainer will give you a CD, load it on your laptop, and please start practicing and going out to your clients and making a wonderful combo solution that will cover your clients' children's need as well as their standard of living requirement. So, Vinod,
Thank you very much. It was excellent.